Alright guys, we're back. Right, straight off the bat, I'm also going to show you the... No, I'll leave that actually. We'll probably come back just to go spend all our platinum bolts at the end of this, because I'm feeling generous and I want to show you guys. But right now, we'll just... Mother. That's good. So, you know, as you know, through the construction site that we went first, I believe it was in the Let's Play. Oh. You are about to meet your haymaker. Right, so... sorry about this, it's taking quite a while. Basically, you need to control this crane. Then, take this. Come on, you're boring me. And plop it here. Then, you need to get this pretty little explosive crate, why did I say plate? Drop it down there, and it's going to go kaboom. No, I'm not fighting you. I'm fighting you. And there you go, platinum bolt number 1 of this planet. As far as I can remember, there's only one more. That's what the minimap says anyway, but sometimes minimaps lie to you. So we'll go get that other one. This one is on the way. You're lucky I've got tons of nanotech. Right, this one is really far away. But then again, this is the quickie through, otherwise I've got to continue through the rest of the level, and I'm not doing that. Right. Nearly. Right. Here we go. So, straight through here. You just got to continue. I think it's after you meet the fog boss the first time. Like all these can be gained the first time round. There are actually only a few that can't be. But all the ones on this planet can be. Right. It's just round here now, so I'm hoping I don't fail miserably. Right. Don't be afraid of heights. Just drop down and there you go. Right, I believe that is it. Right, yeah, that's it. Right guys, I'll be right back on the next video.